And all those who had control of spirits, and the wonder-workers, and the images, and the false gods, and all the disgusting things which were seen in the land of Judah and in Jerusalem, Josiah put away, so that he might give effect to the words of the agreement recorded in the book, which Hilkiah the priest made discovery of in the house of the Lord.
Para pemanggil arwah, dan para pemanggil roh peraman, juga terafim, berhala-berhala, dan segala dewa kejijikan yang terlihat di tanah Yahuda dan di Yerusalem, dihapuskan oleh Yosia, dengan maksud menepati perkataan Taurat yang tertulis dalam kitab yang telah didapati oleh Imam Hilkiah di rumah Tuhan.
Never before had there been a king like him, turning to the Lord with all his heart, and with all his soul, and with all his power, as the law of Moses says, and after him there was no king like him.
Sebelum dia tidak ada raja seperti dia yang berbalik kepada Tuhan, dengan segenap hatinya, dengan segenap jiwanya, dan dengan segenap kekuatannya, sesuai dengan segala Taurat Musa, dan sesudah dia tidak ada bangkit lagi yang seperti dia.
But still, the heat of the Lord's wrath was not turned back from Judah, because of all Manasseh had done in moving him to wrath.
Tetapi Tuhan tidak beralih dari murkanya yang sangat bernyala-nyala itu, yang telah bangkit terhadap Yahuda oleh, karena segala sakit hatinya yang ditimbulkan Manasseh.
And the Lord said, I will send Judah away from before my face, as I have sent Israel. I will have nothing more to do with this town, which I had made mine, even Jerusalem, and the holy house of which I said, my name will be there.
Lalu berfirmanlah Tuhan, juga orang Yehuda akan kujauhkan dari hadapanku seperti aku menjauhkan orang Israel, dan aku akan membuang kota yang kupilih ini, yakni Yerusalem, dan rumah ini, walaupun aku telah berfirman tentangnya, namaku akan tinggal di sana.
Now, the rest of the acts of Josiah, and all he did, are they not recorded in the book of the history of the kings of Judah?
Selebihnya dari riwayat Yosia dan segala yang dilakukannya, bukankah semuanya itu tertulis dalam kitab sejarah raja-raja Yehuda?
In his days, Pharaoh Necho, king of Egypt, sent his armies against the king of Assyria to the river Euphrates. And King Josiah went out against him, and he put him to death at Megiddo, when he had seen him.
Dalam zamannya itu majulah Firaun Necho, raja Mesir, melawan raja Asyur di tepi sungai Efrat. Raja Yosia pergi menghadapi dia, tetapi Firaun membunuhnya di Megiddo, segera sesudah ia melihatnya.
And his servants took his body in a carriage from Megiddo to Jerusalem, and put him into the earth there. And the people of the land took Jehoahaz, the son of Josiah, and put the holy oil on him, and made him king in place of his father.
Pegawai-pegawainya mengangkut mayatnya dengan kereta dari Megiddo dan membawanya ke Yerusalem. Kemudian mereka menguburkannya dalam kuburnya sendiri. Maka rakyat negeri itu menjemput Yoahas, anak Yosia, mengurapi dia dan mengangkat dia menjadi raja menggantikan ayahnya.